simply by saying hello and smiling.
Are you someone like that?
Maybe.
Okay. So when they say hello and they keep on smiling to the foreign guy, that means she likes him.
Yeah.
What is your name and how old are you?
Hi everyone, I am Valerie and I'm 22 years old.
Valerie, what kind of behavior makes a Filipina think I want this man?
One behavior that I want is consistency. Consistent in terms of action, in terms of um words, and yeah, I also like to marry a man that is God fearing, because I believe that if you know Jesus, if you know God, you know how to love.
How important is a man's sense of humor to a Filipina?
It is really important, especially to me, because my dad has a very funny personality, and his sense of humor makes me laugh harder, and that's one traits of a man that I'm finding po.
Do Filipinas find quiet, confident men more attractive than men who talk too much?
Um, for me, I want a chalant man. I don't want nonchalant man, because I want that the love that he will give to me is
Nagatrabaho po kami.
shown po.
Mamaya na lang po, nagatrabaho po kami. That happens all the time, by the way. It happens all the time. Okay, is it okay to I ask you again the question, be? Sorry, we have a Damon, be. Sorry, okay. Okay, do Filipinas find quiet, confident men more attractive than men who talk too much?
For me po, no, I like a chalant man. I don't want nonchalant, because I want that the love that he will give to me is shown for everyone, and I don't want to be that quiet, that not showy or sensitive in terms of physical touch or something love language in public.
What should a foreign man do on the first date if he really wants to impress a Filipina?
Um I think he must invite me to go to the church. That's my very first requirements to a man.
What is more attractive, romantic words, thoughtful actions, or financial support?
For me, the most romantic is thoughtful action, because I believe that um my love language, I want to receive a love language that is um ano to? Bas I want that guy to show me his love through action. So I want that traits.
So that's more attractive for you. Okay. What are the signs that a Filipina is attracted to a foreign man but is too shy to say it?
I think simply by saying hello and smiling.
Are you someone like that?
Maybe.
Okay. So when they say hello and they keep on smiling to the foreign guy, that means she likes him.
Yeah, I think.
Out of 10 Filipinas, how many Filipinas do you think would do that, like, or would show that?
10.
Oh my God. Okay, so 10 out of 10 Filipina, if they said hello to you guys and she was smiling, that means she is, what do you call this? She's attracted to you. Okay, if a foreign man wants a Filipina to fall for him, what should he start doing today?
Um if that foreign man wants to marry a Filipina man, or want to date a Filipina, I think you must learn the culture and the beliefs of Filipinos. That's all po.
You're still studying, Beth?
Yeah.
What are you studying?
I'm a fourth year student taking tourism management.
Do you have a boyfriend? Are you dating what? Are you married? What?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
6 years.
Why are you still single?
I'm finding the man that will lead me to God.
Raised and born here in Naga?
I was born on Nueva Ecija, Cabanatuan po. Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija.
How long have you been living here in Naga then?
Um, 3 years? 4.
Oh, that was good. She could understand me speaking Bicol. Why? How did you speak? Like from school?
Parents are both Bicolano and Bicolana, but I raised in Manila. But I'm studying 4 years here in Bicol.
Last question. Would you ever date a foreigner?
Yes.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. We really do appreciate your time and your honesty. You know, guys, fun fact, we've been here since 3 in the afternoon and it's already 5:47 and she is the very first interviewee. They're all busy. So thank you. We're very grateful, Be. You said yes to us. Thank you so much. Thank you. What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Trisha, and I'm 18 years old.
Trisha, what kind of behavior makes a Filipina think, I want this man?
I think when they saw a man, when he is gentleman and he's good at everything in their standard.
How about you? What kind of behavior would make you say, oh, I want him. Oh, I like him.
When he is known how to play guitar and when he is a God-loving man.
Now, how important is a man's sense of humor to a Filipina?
When
How important?
he this is important because this can make him and assure the woman how he loved the woman.
So it's very important.
Yes po.
Okay. How about you? Do you also like someone who has a sense of humor?
Yes po.
Like someone who likes to like give you some jokes, like be funny, like that. You also like that?
Yes po.
Okay. How about you? Do you have like sense of humor?
Sometimes po.
Sometimes. Okay. Do Filipinas find quiet, confident men more attractive than men who talk too much?
I think depends on the person what she want on the man po.
How about you? Do you find quiet, confident men more attractive to someone who talks a lot?
I found the quiet and some smart man po.
More attractive?
Yes po.
How about you? Are you the quiet person or do you talk a lot?
I'm the quiet person po, but when someone I become close, I become talk a lot po.
You become talkative.
Yeah, yes po.
Well, she gives me this kind of like very like sweet. That's what I could tell. Okay. Now, what should a foreign man do on the first date if he really wants to impress a Filipina?
He need to show how gentleman he is, how he have the intelligent toward her, so she can feel the reassurance po.
What is more attractive? Romantic words, thoughtful actions, or financial support?
The wait lang po.
What is, yeah, don't worry. What is more attractive? Romantic words, thoughtful actions, or financial support?
The thoughtful action and financial support po. Because many man can say sweet word to others but they cannot put it in action po.
Oh, I like that. I like that. Okay. What are the signs that the Filipina is attracted to a foreign man but is too shy to say it?
When she think about him a lot every day and when she's shy when they two met po.
Like how shy?
Shy.
Very shy. What do you mean by shy? Let's give a example. Like for example, they're eating in a restaurant. So how shy? Or maybe let's say she's working somewhere and then the foreigner comes, the customer as a customer. So how shy or how can you tell that she is attracted to him?
When she start talking baby talk ganyan po toward him.
Maybe talk like hi. Like,
Yes po.
oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. If a foreign man wants a Filipina to fall for him, what should he start doing today?
He's need to start doing learning Tagalog and how Filipino act when there's a love toward wait lang po.
It's okay.
When there's love each other, Filipino foreign man needs to know how Filipino act when they both have spark or they love both each other po.
So he should know.
He should know po the action of Filipino man when the man is in love in the to a girl po.
I'm confused. Okay, so you want the foreigner to know if the Filipina is in love or not. Like that?
I mean po is how the man the man should explore how the Filipino man act when he is in love and how to start a relationship to a Filipina girl.
Oh, so you're saying that foreigner should act like a Filipino man.
Yes po.
Why?
Because the girl should when the girl is from Filipina, she other girls something that kind of Filipino man po.
Okay, I'm confused. Ili ka na bis camera, babe. So, you don't want them to be themselves? You want them to be someone?
No po. I just want that man po have some info about the Filipino man when the man is in love po.
Oh, just have a thought of how they do it here. Like, for example, if this is just an example, like, you know what I'm trying to understand her. So you're trying to say that, like, for example, when it comes to courtship, foreigners should know how courtship is here in the Philippines.
Just like when the man is in love, he play guitar and harana that girl po.
Is Harana still common here now? I've never seen Harana. I'm already old. Never seen Harana here.
I also don't see that anymore po. So, just like me, I want to go back to the time that when harana is still ha, harana the girl in their house.
Okay. Okay. So they don't really have to change themselves.
Yes.
They don't have to be like Filipino guys. They could still be themselves, but they just need to like learn how to do the courtship, like how Filipina wants it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. I thought I was thinking different thing. Okay. You're still studying, right? But you're 18
Yes po.
in college.
In college po.
What are you studying?
Engineering po.
First year.
Yes po.
Okay. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
Single
How long have you been single?
since birth.
Since birth, and she's 18. Thank you so much, Be. We really do appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye.